This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruett. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom brick home offers an open floor plan, 9-foot ceilings throughout, and spacious bedrooms with ample closet space. The master suite provides a relaxing retreat, while the 2-car garage adds convenience. Situated on 1.15 acres, the property features a partially fenced yard, perfect for your fur babies. Enjoy peaceful country living with plenty of space to roam. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Pruett at 479-774-3962.